All right, so here we have a 2013 Chevy Silverado 2500. It's got the ranch hand front bumper on it. It's four-wheel drive. It's got really good tires on it. 2500 HD. Has a Royal utility bed with a flip-top box on it. It's got the towing hitch on the back. Got a little scratch right there in the door. Headache rack in the back. Pretty clean on the inside. It's got the third door. Back seat folds down. It's got power windows and power locks. Air's on. Air blows cold. Four-wheel drive. This one has a transmission, a new transmission put in it. It's got the 6.0 gas. It's got, let's see, it's got 208,865,000 miles on it. Radio works. All in all, a pretty clean truck. Let's look under the hood. .6.0 Chevy. Runs good. Let's look in some of these boxes. Then right here is your deal to open the flip top. You can see in there. It's a pretty cool bed. And then of course, back here as well. All in all, man, pretty good truck. Let's go look at the sticker on it. Priced at $20,000. There's all the information you need. VIN number, year, model, way to contact us. You can go to carnuts.com and get more information. Feel free to PM me. But here she is. 2013 Chevy utility truck with a royal bed. Later.